As you already know, we will be using an application called Keynote to create prototypes. So before we start creating the prototypes, let's get familiar with a few commonly used features of this application. To launch the Keynote app, just open Spotlight Search by pressing the Command and Spacebar keys together and start typing Keynote and hit enter as you see the auto suggestion. This is the quickest way to open any app in a Mac. Once you open Keynote, you get a window where you can locate and open an existing document, or you could simply select New Document to create a new presentation. Keynote offers a wide variety of themes, as you can see. These are pretty good when you are creating a presentation, but in our case, since we are going to be creating a mobile app prototype, we can go with the simple black or white theme. On the left over here, you will see all the slides that you have, and you can hit Add Slide button to create a new slide. To delete any slide, just select this slide and hit delete. You can also adjust the zoom level of your slide over here. We can design almost anything using the different shapes provided here. Let's add a simple rectangle to the slide and make it look like a mobile app screen. I can drag around the corners to make it big. On the right hand side here, I can change the color of the rectangle by selecting a different fill color. Let's add another rectangle here and make it look like the navigation bars you find in most apps. Let's also add a shadow to this. To add any text in the slide, just hit the text button here. Let's go and change the font size over here. We can double click on this and change the text. Sometimes you may experience certain objects getting hidden behind others. So as you can see here, when I'm dragging this text box towards the third row, it gets hidden behind this rectangle. So in order to fix this, what I'll do is select the text box and select arrange over here and hit the front button. So what this will do is bring this text box in front of all the other objects that are on the slide. Now let me show you how we can align different objects in our slide to one another. So I've got three squares here that I want to align horizontally. So first let me select all three of them by holding down Command and selecting each of them. And what I'll do is go over here in Arrange, select the Align drop down and select middle option in this. So now you can see that these three squares are aligned perfectly in one horizontal line. What I'll do now is offset the spacing between these squares so it's uneven. And now to make sure that these three squares are evenly distributed, I'll select three of them and I'll select this evenly option from the distribute drop down. So those were some key features of Keynote that we will be using while creating our prototype. I would recommend that you go and try out what you've learned in this lecture and get comfortable with Keynote.